this is B and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you an unboxing for the items I've purchased from Japan. And what you saw earlier is actually a huge box which doesn't fit the frame, but it's this one from Trusco Danboard Folding Box. Then the rest of the items are this one. So let me set this one first out of the way. And I got this one from Amazon. So it's Kado Maru, and it has like different sizes to make the edges curve, and this is by Sunstar. Then we have all of these are purchased from the Travelers Company, or I mean the Travelers Factory online shop from Japan. And this one, as you can see from the title, so this is the Y280 toolbox by Toyo, and it has that branding of Travelers Company. So this is like all steel. It comes in different colors, and the inside just looks like this. Then we have these. So if you heard about the news a few weeks ago, Blackwing and Travelers Company collaborated. So these are the ones from Blackwing. But before that, I also got these two. So I think this one is an S size. So this part is leather, and then from the inside you've got this pouch and then a zipper at the back. And then they released the cotton zipper cases. Previously this was like exclusive to the B-sides and rarities, and I believe this one is the brown color. So this is just made of like canvas, looks like that, and then it has that branding. And then for the Travelers Company Blackwing collaboration, I pretty much got everything. And then at that time when this was released, if you buy from Travelers Factory online shop in Japan, they do not ship overseas, so you will need to use a forwarder. So in this case, all of these were combined and shipped by Rakuten. So we have the point guard. So looks like that. So if I compare this from the point guard that Blackwing has, so I have a few actually. So the other ones are like this. And then there's another one where it just has the letter B for Blackwing. And then this one is a set of pencils. Looks like that. Let me open it. So each of the pencils looks like this. So the other end is black, and then the other end is like just the color of wood, and then the eraser is bluish gray that would actually match the point guard. This would be like a pack of 12. Yeah, 12. And then you've also got the Blackwing charm. So when the pencil comes to this size, that pretty much depicts that design. So a little bit close up without the plastic. And then you've got the insert. So previously I was able to buy like two of their inserts separately apart from the leather notebook, but now for everything in here, based off the Travelers Factory online shop, you can only buy one per customer for this specific collaboration. And then the inside pretty much just like the cream paper, and then the cover just looks like this. And then I also got the leather cover, and then inside would have this. So if I were to compare this from the previous ones I got, let's say for example, this collaboration between the Superior Labor and Travelers Company, I got this also from the Travelers Factory online shop. Previously, I could get this together with the insert, and then I could get two. So since this one comes with its own insert, the total inserts would be 3. But this time for Blackwing, it's just gonna be 2. This one and the one inside. And then whenever you buy a leather cover from Travelers, do not forget to remove this because the string is the same on what you close the leather covers with. So besides this one, you can actually just take this one out. Then you can toss this one for recycling. And the cover looks like this. So zooming in, and then let me see the inside. So this is the one that I was referring earlier. So if you get this one and then you purchase this separately, you get 2. But because it's now strictly 1 piece per customer, I could no longer like get an extra of this one, but it's okay. And then the back says just Traveler's Notebook. And let me compare this with my Tokyo TN. Hold on. So if I compare the Tokyo TN with the Blackwing, this is a lot smoother compared to this one. And in terms of the leather, pretty much similar, I guess, but let me just open. Yeah, pretty much the same. And then here, if I look at the Tokyo TN, if I tilt it like this, I don't see, like for this embossing, for example, you don't see like the pattern, like the template sort of thing. But then for this one, because you've got that pencil, you can see that. I don't know if, I hope the camera can pick it up. So for the pencil, I can see that portion, and then the labeling for Blackwing. So it's fine, since this is like kind of like multi shading, I guess, but the base is silver, and then this one is gold. And since you've already seen this, so this one is like the leather version. I also got this from Travelers Factory online shop. So the canvas is like this. So in terms of color differences, because this one's leather, it's obviously it's going to look different. So this is a bit lighter. Oh yeah, before I forget, because I have the Toyo here, I actually got the other 2, which you can also find from their site, which has that same branding. So let me put this all out. If you're wondering, so this is the Y280. Typically you'll find from different retailers that carry Toyo steel the 350, which has like the same width, I guess, but in terms of the length, it's a bit longer. But what would fit inside, so the model will typically just show up in here. Same goes with the other ones, and the only thing that's different pretty much is this particular branding. If I just got it like regularly from either Amazon or any retail shop, it would not have this, and this one would be painted. So this is unpainted, so if I tilt it on that certain way, you'll be able to see the look of the actual steel. I don't know if that's a thing. And then like that. So this one would fit obviously this. So if I put everything here, okay, let's just put everything. Put 2. Well, I don't know if it's gonna fit 2, but and then yeah, and these ones, okay. Oh yeah, I forgot this. So this one, yeah, it closes fine, but if I push it further, just for the sake of it, this is where I have to be creative in stacking, I guess. Okay, this one barely, so if I do it like that, but because there's a locking mechanism, it actually fits everything. So that's it. If you have any questions or anything at all, just comment down below. Thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.